Hello everyone, welcome back to Ghost Allies Paranormal. I'm here with Aaron,
Yes.
and I'm also going to be trying out my new camera for the first time. He's going to be using my old camera. My old camera is 8K, but I think the picture is better on my new camera, which is only 4K. So comment down below, tell me what you think of the video afterwards. We're here at Hurricane Road Cemetery here in Keene, New Hampshire, another old cemetery that I actually didn't even know about until I was looking through all the lists of the cemeteries here in Keene, and I thought I knew of all of them, and then I saw this one and obviously had somehow missed it or forgotten it, so we're going to be doing that tonight. Hurricane Road Cemetery, originally known as the 3rd District Cemetery or the Yard on Westmoreland Road. It was established in 1795. The cemetery was used for burials from the nearby town farm, formerly the Deacon Kingsbury Farm, which operated until 1876. Many unmarked graves are believed to be those of people who died at the Poor Farm between 1830 and 1876. Alright, recording. We are going in the squeaky gate.
At a house?
No, that's next door.
Okay. It'll be occupied then, so we don't want to wait for the Hurricane Road Cemetery.
That's
The
the
Yard on Westmoreland Road. Check where else here.
1761. So this is Hurricane Road Cemetery, a very old cemetery. Broken headstone right here. Figured we'll just do a little walking around. Just kind of explore it a little bit first, and then we'll do more investigation stuff. Just kind of get the feel for the layout first and exactly what it looks like. Look at this. This looks pretty ancient, like this.
Yeah.
I mean, looks like something really old. You know, like there's like nothing carved on it. You know, I think I remember seeing something about this, and there was a story, but I don't remember if it was the cemetery or not. But black. That's cool. So whoever black is, oh, there is writing on it. I can't even see it. I can't read it, but yeah.
Really written there.
Just wore off. And these are, I mean, they don't, well, there's writing on these ones, but these ones over here, they just look like stones placed in the grounds. I can't even see any writing on them. Look at these, like, literally like just a rock placed here.
Yeah, there's Pretty sure there's a writing on it.
There has to be, or was writing on it, I'm sure, at one point.
Yeah, for sure.
I mean, I don't see any, but I'm not, you know, it doesn't mean that there wasn't at one point. Like here, there's definitely, no, I don't know. I can't tell.
Yeah, there's a reason to look at what was block kind of on all the stones.
Yeah. There's more over here. Another one right there, another one right here. Look at this. I mean, this literally like someone just took it off the stone wall and placed it here. Oh, there's another one over here too.
That is 16. Oh,
Nabby,
yeah.
wife of Isaac
Miller
M-
died August 17th, 1830 at age
Miller died August
46.
1830, and she was 46. She was 46 years old. Wow. So we'll do a night vision tour just to kind of so we know where everything is, and then we'll get out our gadgets and devices and see if we get anything. So I had my camera microphone on low to see if it's loud enough, because it always feels like my mic is overpowered when I have it on. There's low and high. When I'm re-listening to it, it always seems like I'm yelling into the microphone, and I don't want it to be so loud. I mean, I can always turn it down when I'm editing, but I just want to see how low it actually records. So I'm testing it out right now. I'm actually going to turn it back to the high right now, though, because I'll hear it when I'm editing, and I'll figure it out. The tree. Old ones. You good, Aaron?
Yeah.
Okay, because you don't look like you're very comfortable.
It was the tall grass.
Okay.
Maybe that's a headstone, actually.
It is. It is indeed a headstone right there.
Thank you for the service.
Rosalinda. Bach or Booch? I can't.
So, Monday, July 8th.
Lucy.
After 10 p.m.
A lot of bugs, guys. So if you see something flying in front of the screen, it's probably just a bug. It's not an orb or anything. Just letting you guys know. Orbs aren't necessarily paranormal like people think. They can be, but in most cases it's just dust or a bug or a weird lens flare. This one is falling over. James Wilson died May 14th, 18, I think that's a 37, age 63. Then there's a Rebecca underneath it, so that must be, oh, wife, yep. Whoa. It says, if you guys can read that, I can't read that. Leaning. Emery. Emery Dickinson. Oh, what? Oh, it's
cut through here. But there's also part
that's
of
weird.
There's part of a headstone.
It is a headstone, yeah.
It's on the wall, though. Which is the weirdest thing.
And this looks like it's a broken headstone, too.
Yeah, yep.
That is weird, yeah.
It's really strange.
Why the hell is there broken headstones to the wall?
Yeah, it's pretty weird.
Unless,
Very weird.
you know, the only explanation would be they replaced it with a new stone.
Maybe.
But nothing here looks new at all.
No.
So
I don't know if
I don't really think that would be the case.
Yeah.
But that's the only thing I can think of.
Yeah.
Why they would, or why someone would, unless someone was just being freaking idiot and moving stuff around for whatever reason, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, people are do anything these days. You really can't. You know, every time you think you've heard it all, you hear something else and just takes the cake. And it's like, yep. People, man, just make you shake your head in shame.
Yeah.
Why would you do that? Why? What was the logic behind your decision?
Yeah.
Do you even have a brain in there? Hello, anyone home?
Yeah.
Alright, so I am going to take it off of night vision, and I am going to see if my K2 meter, EMF meter, picks up anything. And just gonna just keep it away from the camera, because the camera will set it off. If anyone is here with us, you don't have to be afraid of us. Nothing we have here will hurt you in any way. It will just allow us to know you're with us and be able to communicate with us. If anyone is here with us, see the light coming from the place next door, but I think it might be just an outdoor light. If anyone is here with us, please don't Don't be shy. This is your chance to tell us your story, any messages that you have, anything. Alright, I think I'm going to try. I'm going to go over here, Aaron. Try my cat balls. Just I'm going to place them down. I figured maybe over here on this, around here. Or I can try to find a level spot. I'm going to put one right here, and then I'll put another one. Yeah, it goes off after 10 seconds. Put one over here. So they do go off for 10 seconds after you turn them on. Or every time they go off for 10 seconds. So if anyone is here with us, you can go near these cat balls, these balls here that are light up, that I just placed down. You can go move one for me. Got a moth on my hand. Nothing yet. If anyone would like to communicate, you can set up these balls that I just placed down that light up. They'll let us know that you're here. So that's the second ball, and the first ball's right there. Here's something in the woods behind us. Probably an animal or something. If anyone is here,
feel free to use your energy and just touch the cat balls, and they'll flash and let us know that you are here with us.
Please let us know if anyone is here with us. I thought I heard something coming from the woods, like voices or something.
Yes, also for Boogie, but I did hear somebody way over in the distance.
Yeah, that's what I think I heard.
We're also now in a neighborhood somewhere out here, so I'm sure there are just people in the woods somewhere. Or in the road just beyond us.
You know what? I'm going to leave that one there, and I'm going to put this one over.
I probably found a stump over there around the cemeteries.
I was actually thinking putting it on the broken grave that's on the stone wall back there. I'll leave that one there, and then bring this one over here. I got the ball in my hand. almost walked into that one. Okay, right straight back here. There's a broken one from earlier. So, shouldn't be moving. Right, I'm going to place that one right there. And that broken one that we found on the stone wall here. Don't know where that one came from. If anyone is here, if this is your broken headstone, you can let us know by lighting this ball off. Here, I'll back away a little bit, just give you guys some space. I respect everyone who's here 100%, and if you don't want to, and if you are here and you're just not comfortable with communicating because you don't know me, I understand 100%. I know, you know, that it takes time getting used to people. So I'm not going to pressure anyone to feel like they're obligated and like they have to do anything. Completely out of your own free will, whether you want to communicate or not. Alright. Don't think we're getting anything. Your dog's in the distance. So, just wanted to make note of that. There are dogs barking in the distance. Okay. Actually, it kind of sounds like coyotes. They're coyotes or something. Alright everyone, me in here, you probably heard in the video the coyotes in the background. They just like got louder, and yeah, we just came back to the car. I mean, we weren't really getting any paranormal activity anyways, so yeah. The coyotes were the ones to tell us that we've overstayed our welcome. Yeah. So we're just gonna leave, yeah. And we'll see you at the next location, guys. Yeah. Go like Keene Paranormal Research Society. Thanks. All of the links are down below, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace. And don't forget, guys, to follow the rest of the socials. Instagram, Facebook, X. I also have a Facebook group. I have a Discord. And you can buy yourself some Ghost Allies merch on the Zazzle store. All links are below in the description.